Renata Charlie Alpha, continue the upwind.
Continuing the upwind, 279 Charlie Alpha.
Renata Charlie Alpha, make a right downwind at midfield, make a left 360.
Making a right downwind and midfield will make a left 360, 279 Charlie Alpha. 279 Charlie Alpha, making a left 360.
Charlie Alpha, correct. Maybe more than one, I'll keep you advised.
Pompano Tower. Information Lima 2053 Zulu weather. Wind 110.9er. Weather better than 5005. Temperature 24, dew point 15. Altimeter 3012. Landing and departing runway 10.
279 Charlie Alpha, turn left on course, runway 10, clear for takeoff.
Runway 10, clear for takeoff, left on course, 279 Charlie Alpha.
Top of the tower, Skyhawk 8653 uniform, number 1, we believe, 10 northwest.
Okay.
865 uniform,
there we go.
hold short, 110.
Get the feet on the rudders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, full throttle. Rudder, airspeed of 5. Here comes the jump. Rotate. Speed, everything's in the green. Laps up, clear of obstacles, positive rate of climb. Climbing about 80.
Uniform, turn left on course, runway 10, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff at 10, left turn approved, 8653 uniform.
Okay, 500 feet, I'm going to turn left, turn. Look at my heading bug. Set for 320. Feel the airplane a little bit. It's the first time I've been out on my own this way. I don't see any traffic. Looking out for traffic. To learn this, I guess. Whoa. Oh, there's the range. This is weird. Okay. Anyway. Oh, I'm going to go over to this common traffic and see if anybody...
Traffic.
Okay, I see him. He's under me.
Traffic.
Air practice area, you got a white Skyhawk at 2,000 feet, about 1 mile to east of the trail parks. We got the 2 airplanes on site, 2 or 1 o'clock. Heading westbound at 2,000 pair traffic. 1,000 doing slow flight to air practice.
Coral Springs, flight Cessna 6 Stripe Op is at 2,800, 4 miles north of the microwave tower maneuvering. Northbound, Coral Springs.
Coral Springs traffic, White Diamond heading west just past the microwave tower at 2,500 feet, Coral Springs traffic. Okay, so my traffic is not working. Pompano Tower, November 279 Charlie Alpha is 10 miles to the northwest, coming in for touch and goes with information Lima.
You're still with Coral Springs traffic. Sounded nice though. Oh, nice call.
Pompano Tower, 279 Charlie Alpha, Diamond DA40, 9 miles to the northwest, coming in for touch and goes with information Lima.
279 Charlie Alpha, 5 report to landfill.
Report to landfill, 279 Charlie Alpha. Okay, pre-landing checklist. Right. Oh, shoot. Okay, anyway.
This is landfill 1,500.
279er Charlie Alpha is at the landfill.
Charlie Alpha, ident.
Ident, 279 Charlie Alpha.
Okay, and who's about a mile and a half west of the landfill, 1,400?
That's 1090 Victor.
90 Victor, look for a diamond directly ahead of you.
Traffic's in sight.
90 Victor, follow the diamond.
I'll follow the diamond. 90 Victor.
For 6 Julie Charlie, you about 5 west of the landfill?
Yes, sir.
6 Julie Charlie, turn about 15 degrees left, you're going to be number 5.
Okay, 15 degrees left, 186 Julie Charlie.
6 Julie Charlie, there's a couple of Cessnas east of you, you're going to follow one that'll be just to your right on that heading.
Come down.
Okay, well, look, 6 Julie Charlie.
Pumps on. 4-inch.
And I'd say out runway 10, clear touch and go, then make left close traffic, report east midfield downwind.
Runway 10, clear touch and go. Left traffic, report each time, midfield 279er Charlie Alpha. It's showing them high.
297, you're following the Cessna that went upwind a bit. You see him?
297 negative, I'm looking.
As you're heading to your left, turning crosswind. He's on a crosswind.
Okay, I have him in sight, 297.
Follow him.
I'll follow that traffic, 297.
6 Julie Charlie, you're number 3. Number 1 is short final. You're the Cessna, you're following. You're heading to your left just over a mile. Julie Charlie, reduce your speed.
I'm reducing the speed now, 6 Julie Charlie. I'm bumping up tower 2466 X-rays, RNAV, GPS 15, circle to land runway 10, full stop.
For 66 X-ray, Roger, you're going to go east very shortly. For 6 Julie Charlie, turn inbound.
Turn inbound, 6 Julie Charlie.
For 297, turn westbound.
Turn westbound, 297.
For 9 Charlie Alpha, continue the upwind.
Continuing the upwind, 279er Charlie Alpha.
For 66 X-ray, turn east.
Turning east, 66 X-ray.
For 9 Charlie Alpha, make a right downwind at midfield, make a left 360.
Making a right downwind and midfield will make a left 360, 279er Charlie Alpha.
Power tower, BS9 off location, requesting a shoreline transition southbound at below 500.
BS9 approved.
BS9, thank you. 9 Whiskey Yankee, traffic in sight.
9 Whiskey Yankee, follow Cherokee 6, runway 10. You want to touch and go?
No, thank you. Full stop, please. 9 Whiskey Yankee.
Or 9 Whiskey Yankee, clear land runway 10.
Clear to land 10, 9 Whiskey Yankee. Turning right on Charlie, contacting ground. 1090 Victor.
For 66 X-ray, turn right south.
Turning south, 66 X-ray.
For 207, your traffic space.
Okay, I have the traffic in sight, 297.
207, follow that Cessna, makes you number 3, runway 10, clear to land.
Follow that Cessna, number 3, clear to land, 297.
Following the westbound Cherokee, heading to your right.
279er Charlie Alpha, making a left 360.
That's Charlie Alpha, correct. Maybe more than one, I'll keep you advised.
Great, my third solo.
Traffic.
For 6 Juliet, Charlie, turn right, where are you parking?
Spot 2.
Stay with me, spot 2, be a Delta, we'll see you.
Okay, thanks for the help. Stay with you, spot 2.
Oh my gosh. They had me in a hold. That's great. Third solo. I'm in a hold.
Pomona Tower, Cherokee 30877.
Number 30877, Pomona.
We're 17 miles to the west. It's going to be inbound full stop with Mike, but I'd like to shoot the RNAV runway 6 if I can.
Runway 6?
Yeah, I'd circle to land, or if I can land on runway 6, if not, I can do a circle to 10.
Yeah, well, let's start with, if you want an RNAV approach, you're going to have to talk to Miami. They'll clear you for that, but I doubt they're going to give you a 6 approach. Goes all through Executive's airspace and Fort Lauderdale's airspace.
Okay, this is my second hold.
Yeah, don't worry, I'll just do straight in 10, come into 10, full stop with Mike.
Roger.
I need some fuel tanks.
Charlie Alpha, when you roll out on downwind, continue west and I'll point out traffic to follow.
I roll out, I'll continue west to 279er Charlie Alpha. Okay, I can make the runway, so fuel pump is on. I am going to switch tanks.
609, pre-change approved, have a good day.
Yes, 9, thanks, Charlie, good day.
Things good.
Number 9 Charlie Alpha, turn base, right base.
Turning right base, 279er Charlie Alpha. Wow. Where the heck's the runway?
General Hotel, I didn't forget about you.
Thank you, 29 Hotel.
This will be a full stop for 279er Charlie Alpha.
9 Charlie Alpha, runway 10 clear land.
10 clear land, full stop, 279er Charlie Alpha. Okay, but I didn't challenge you.
Or 2466 X-ray
I need
Charlie.
to come down now. Oh, crap.
Leave it, Charlie. And
This up. Flaps in.
General Hotel, runway 10 clear for takeoff, traffic mile phone.
Runway 10 clear for takeoff, 29 Hotel.
On full flaps. Stretch. 500 feet. Looks like this will be one of those chop and drops. Want my airspeed getting too slow. I got one red, one white, but 28. Speed looks good, it's at 75.
Tower, Warrior 789 for Charlie, flying short runway 10 northwest bound with the lane traffic in sight.
Remember, 789 for Charlie, Palm there, hold short, runway 10.
Hold short, runway 1094 Charlie.
I think I missed the call, say again.
November 619 Golf Charlie, which you had along the shoreline at 500 feet.
619er Golf Charlie, Palm Tower, northbound transition approved, remain east of the beach, pump altimeter is 3013.
3013, maintain east, transition approved, 619 Golf Charlie.
Charlie Alpha, where you parking?
On to spot 2, I can get off here on Delta.
Charlie Alpha, you remember this frequency, spot 2, taxi via Delta. We'll see you.
I'll stay with you on Delta to spot 2, 9er Charlie Alpha. Thank you. We'll pump off. Well, that was a rodeo. Okay. Whew.